In this video, students is going to explain one case study on the topic of support vector machine. The support vector machine is that classification model. So using the support vector machine, we are going to find out the optimal boundary. So based upon the optimal boundary, we are going to classify the new data, whether it is belongs to the particular class or not. So in this, they are taking the example as student study hours. Based upon the student study hours, they are going to predict whether the particular person is pass or fail using the support vector machine 1D problem.
Myself, Abhishek Shankar, Deepalakshmi, Ashwin, Aarti, and Divakaran. We are going to explain the case study on SVM. SVM is nothing but support vector machine. It is the one of the best supervised learning algorithm, and it is used for both classification and the regression tasks. And we can see what are the advantages of SVM. First, it is used for dynamic space, and second, it is robust to overfitting, and third, it is bestly suitable for non-linear data by using the kernel task. Now here in this case study, we are going to predict the student performance. If the students get passed, then it is denoted as +1, and if the students get failed, then it is denoted as -1. And here now we are going to add only one feature, which means the student study hours. By this only one feature, which is 1D. By this we are going to proceed further. Further will be explained by Deepalakshmi.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain about the data set used in this case study. In this example, we have used a concept from support vector machine. Uh, Here we have classified the student based on their study hours. Um, this is the example. Student A studied 1 hour. Uh, and failed. Student B studied 2 hours and failed. Student C studied 3 hours and failed. Student D studied 6 hours and passed. Student E studied 7 hours and passed. Student F studied 8 hours and passed. Here we are going to find the here.
Boundary equation. So based upon the boundary equation for the particular student classification is.
Okay, the first step in the problem is closest point between positive and negative. The negative points are first three values. Negative values are first three values, and positive values are next three values. The negative values are considered as fail, and positive values are considered as pass. The closest between positive and negative is 3 and 6. The 3 is near to 6, so we take it as 3 and 6. The next step is optimal boundary between 2 points, the 3 and 6 midpoint formula. We apply the 3 and 6 in midpoint formula. So 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is 4.5. We consider the 4.5 as x.
Okay, I am going to explain the classification equation. We found a mid value of 4.5. So our formula is f of x equal to x minus 4.5. Suppose f of x value is greater than 0, the student will be passed. F of x value is less than 0, the student will be failed. So next I am going to explain new instant class. We are take the two values x is equal to 2, x equal to 9. Those values are steady hours. So we'll substitute the formula f of x equal to xn we replace 2 minus 4.5. The result is minus 2.5. So this is the negative value, so the student will fail. Then next value is x equal to 9, so substitute this formula f of x equal to 9 minus 4.5. The result is 4.5. The student will pass. Then
Now we will conclude this support of the machine. We have